Look at the two. Quick, before it's gone. Quick.
Oh, Wendy, that's so cute. Both of them lying
Hey,
down.
Sadie girl.
Oh,
Hi, Sadie girl.
all three of them.
Hi, Sadie girl.
That's a good picture. Monroe needs that for his Facebook page.
Oh.
Get in there, bud. Here. Come here. Steve. Woo, come. No. You're gonna go after this one? Are you serious?
My son is in Beijing today. He took a train from Shanghai to Beijing. I hope he brought his mask with him.
Oh, yeah.
Which is what he sells.
That's what he sells. Yeah, he should have some in there.
That's all I see, or just the, oh, I'm sorry. That's all I see is just the Chinese people have those masks because of pollution.
Yeah. Well, is it Beijing that has
Yes,
all
they,
of that?
yeah. So I'm anxious to hear him. We FaceTime we had last couple of Sundays ago with him. He was in his hotel room and stuff. That was cool. And then he's texted us. That's plexiglass. You walk out and you, oh my gosh, you know, it's very high. Yeah. In fact, Kim yesterday, she was concerned about us and the earthquake.